Okay, here we are with the RLAARLO XTS. First pull of the trigger, running the stock battery, stock gearing. I can already see that it's got a lot of body roll. And the body is going to be rubbing every time I brake. Now this does have a gyro. And it's got some pretty good speed for what it is. Try and warm this thing up a little bit and see if I can get it to drift. Probably needs more gyro. Let's turn those lights on as well, if they'll turn on. There we go. And let's have a look if we can turn the gyro up a little bit more and see how it handles it. I do like that you can see the exhaust popping off every once in a while. I don't know if it's coming through on camera, but I can definitely see it. Oh, here we go, it's got the wobbles. Yeah, so gains are too high, it's got the wobbles. Yeah, you can see it, look at it, yeah, gains are too high, got to turn the gyro down. So let's see, go back down a little bit so it doesn't go too crazy. There you go, that works. Move more into the center. I'm also using my DJI camera to see if I can capture some cool shots with this in 4K. We'll see which one looks better and which one I'm going to use. Yeah, needs a slight suspension tune. It's really cutting loose. I think the diffs probably could use a tune as well to do some proper rally driving. But anything's quick out of the box on 3-cell. Let me compress the springs a little bit more just to see if it changes anything, because it's got a lot of body roll. Let me just do a quick tune and we'll come right back. Alright, so I've compressed the springs quite a bit, which has stiffened it up probably a bit too much. And that's why it's probably too much, because it's not leaning enough now. I probably need to find a middle ground here. At least it's not, the body's not rubbing on the tarmac when I brake. Oh, could you imagine this with the bigger pinion? And this is with the stock battery too. This thing hammers. I mean, top speed. I wish I bought my GPS, but brakes are really good. Oh, once you start to get the hang of it, this is a lot of fun. Oh, wow. Oops, no! Beautiful body is all scratched up. Okay, so I've adjusted the suspension again. I've kind of gone a little bit in the middle. So I went from one extreme, from stock to basically almost all the way down, to now being a little bit softer again. So yeah, this definitely feels a lot better. This thing is sick. Tires are actually holding up pretty well too, by the way. I checked the tires, I don't seem to be burning them out. Yeah, this is definitely good. Definitely better. A little bit of buddy rub. But man, it handles so much nicer this way. Man, this thing with solid gearing and a better battery would be absolutely insane. This thing is so much fun. Oh, I love this car. This is so good. I love the little pop-ups in the exhaust when you back off the throttle. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. It's so good. This is sick. Whoa. Launch. He's awesome. Oh my god, this thing is awesome. Definitely needs a little bit of a tune on the discs. I think the front disc could definitely be a bit thicker. And if you want to drift around a little bit. Oh, that's it. That's LVC. We're done, folks. First run of the RLAARLO XTS. What a gem. What? Oh, that's it. I've completely lost power. The battery's completely cactus. That's it from me, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. A little bit different, just a street bash. But man, what a lot of fun this car is. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.